LJ, JC, time for dinner.
Time for dinner, mga señorita.
Oh, I think we're almost out of rice. Just do what you can. Maybe, how many cups do you think you can make there? 3 cups? So can you tell our viewers how to make rice, LJ? How to cook rice, JC? I'm sorry, JC.
Soup it and then put it in the water.
Okay.
And then you dump it and then you just put it in the water again. And then you boil it.
Like how much water do you put? What's the ratio?
The amount of cups.
The amount of cups. Talk properly, JC. The amount of cups of rice is the same as the amount of water. So you did 3 cups. Now what are you doing right now? You're washing it. You're washing the rice, right?
Yes.
And then you put the water. Plug it in, and then cover it and press the cook. Yeah, press the button for cook. Once it turns to yellow light, that means it's already cooked. Thanks, JC. Good job. Hello everyone! It's now 5 o'clock in the afternoon and it's almost time for dinner. I'm about to get ready to cook for dinner. What's for dinner tonight? I'm gonna be cooking adobong manok and baboy. That is one of LJ and JC's favorite dish, Filipino dish. Anyway, usapang life skills tayo. One life skill that I thought my boys, both LJ and JC, knows how to cook rice. A while ago, JC already cooked rice for our dinner. I think it is important, most especially to us Filipino, to learn how to cook rice. Maybe to some, it's an easy thing to do, but for my kids, it's important for me to teach them how to do it and to include it on their daily routine. Since their day is pretty much structured, I had to include that on their routines. And later on, you're gonna see the other skills that they know how to do and learn through the years during dinner time. So keep on watching. Dinner time for me is really important. I grew up na sama-sama kami during dinner time. We all sit down on the dinner table and sabay-sabay kaming kumakain. So, that's one tip that I wanted to share with you guys, most especially for those who have kids that just beginning to start to eat solid food. Nung bata pa yung mga anak ko, I bought them a booster chair instead of a high chair. So, they're trained tinrain ko sila na they are included on the dinner table. So, kasama namin sila na kumakain sa table since, you know, it's important for me to na sabay-sabay kaming kumakain. So, that's one tip. So, yung mga anak ko, lumaki sila ng sabay-sabay kaming kumakain. Ayoko yung hinahabol yung bata at para subuan. I trained them na they have to sit and eat. Hindi yung kung saan ka kakain or uupo and hahabulin ka sa pagkain. So, I hope that makes sense. And also, since they were little, tinrain ko din sila to help out, set the table, and clean up after dinner. So, you'll see a clip of those skills. LJ! JC! Time for dinner!
Time for dinner, mga señorita! Tama na yan, guys.
Guys, set the table. Okay. Say hi to Daddy. Hi. Can you set the table, please?
Come on, set the table. Ready for
Set the
dinner.
plates, please.
Guys, over here. Let's set the table. All of us.
Set the plate. Okay.
Hi.
Hi. What are we having for dinner?
Adobo.
Yeah, do you like adobo?
Yeah.
Yes. Ready for the adobo, JC?
Yes.
Yes. Mmm. Yum. Is that one of your favorite, JC?
Yes.
Yes. Thanks. Thanks for my water out there. A little longer than a few minutes later. Why do you drink like that? Thanks for your help. Thanks everyone for tuning in. There you have it. 4 simple life skills plus a bonus adobo recipe. Life skills that you could start teaching your little ones. It's just simple things that they can help us with that somehow can make our life moms easier. I'm just so proud of my boys that somehow they can help me around the house, and not all kids does it. Most especially nowadays, teenagers, most especially the boys, millennials, they have their own thing, you know. And I'm just proud of my kids na natutulungan nila ako dito sa bahay. Even with their disability, they able to help me out. See you next time. And always remember, be aware, be understanding, and be kind.